Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, where we dissect the game of kings to make you a better player. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. Your feedback keeps us on track and truly enriches our content. Today, we turn our attention to an exciting and aggressive response to the Ruy Lopez, the Schliemann Defense. Named after Adolf Karl Wilhelm Schliemann, an avid German chess player, the Schliemann Defense is a daring and aggressive counterattack in response to the Ruy Lopez. This is for the brave players who love a sharp game. The Schliemann Defense is a high-risk, high-reward strategy, aimed at unsettling the opponent early on in the game. It underscores the importance of not just memorizing the moves, but understanding the underlying strategies and dynamics. Let's take a closer look at the first 8 moves for both players. 1. E4, E5. White starts by controlling the center, and black responds symmetrically. 2. Knight F3, Knight C6. White threatens black's E5 pawn, prompting black to develop a knight to defend it. 3. Bishop B5, F5. White chooses the Ruy Lopez opening by developing the bishop and attacking the knight, which is defending E5. Black responds with the characteristic move of the Schliemann Defense, signaling the intent for an aggressive game. 4. Knight C3, E4. White develops another knight, reinforcing control over the center. Black captures the pawn on E4, 5. Knight E4, D5. White recaptures the pawn with the knight. Black challenges White's knight and opens lines for the bishop and queen. 6. Knight E5, E4. White captures the pawn on E5, increasing central control. Black responds by capturing White's knight on E4. 7. Knight C6, Queen G5. White decides to exchange a knight for a pawn, targeting the queen's position. Black moves the queen, aiming to set up a potential attack. 8. Queen E2, Knight F6. White moves the queen to support the advanced knight and defend the G2 pawn. Black develops a knight, targeting White's queen and protecting the pawn on E4. The Schliemann Defense, or the Danish Gambit, is a daring response to the Ruy Lopez, characterized by Black's third move, F5. This line aims to challenge White's control of the center early on. An interesting tidbit before we wrap up. The Schliemann Defense, though aggressive and exciting, is not commonly seen at the top levels of chess, due to the risk it involves. However, it's a favorite among club players who love to surprise their opponents and tilt the balance early in the game. If you found this exploration of the Schliemann Defense intriguing, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more in-depth analysis, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Keep honing your skills, keep playing, and we'll catch you in the next video.